Okay lads, so basically in this video what we're going to be doing is taking a bit of a look at using sectional views in 3D modeling. Now the 3D modeling software that we're going to be using here is SolidWorks. Now using sectional views in 3D modeling, it doesn't really matter what software is, it would have this feature integrated into it. It's very important for the decent 3D modeling software to have it so that you can actually see the interior of any object that you've made or someone else has made, so you can see what's happening. The model that we're looking at here is just a valve that's preventing water from traveling from one pipe to another pipe. Now looking at it here, we actually can't really see how the mechanism works itself. We do know that we have a handle and we can rotate it and it works along these threads, but after that we're not too sure exactly what happens down here. Now we could have an intelligent guess, but we can't tell for certain. So what we need is a sectional view, which I can click up over here. And the sectional view basically gives us a plane, which is this blue plane that cuts through the object itself. Now I can move this plane anywhere I want, and as I move it, basically anything on, let's say, the left hand side here of the plane is taken away and anything on the right hand side stays. So if I move my plane, you can see how all the different parts appear and disappear as the plane changes where it's cutting through the object itself. Now you can tell that a lot of the places that you put your plane is not as useful as others, so that's an important thing to note. Now if I get out of here again and go back into it, it should have a perfect cut section traveling right down through the center of the object itself. I'm just going to click OK here so it just renders it a bit better. And now what I can see is the inner workings of this valve system. As you can see, we have our threads traveling straight down through our body, so we can tell when this handle is rotated, what it's doing is moving up this section here and bringing it up from ceiling where each pipe is coming in together. So you can see as this is rotated anti-clockwise, the threads are going to back out, lifting up this section here, moving up this seal and allowing water flow in between the two different pipes. We can also see from this view is that there is basically seals being dropped in different connection points. So you can see between this blue section here and this whitey silvery section here, they have a seal to prevent water from leaking out, as well as seals in here in the mechanism itself and up here so it doesn't lose water up where the shaft is traveling for the threads. As well as that, you can see that they have a safety mechanism built in here, that the threads themselves can't be backed out too far, so water can't be leaked out, or this valve can't be moved up too far that it can't be closed back down again. So that's just a quick look at sectional views being used in SolidWorks or any 3D modeling software to show hidden detail.